Hello ladies and gentlemen. Okay, what we're doing something hugely different today. It's not food, no, it's hopefully to help the Japanese expats who are living in the UK or Europe. If you can understand me, I hope you can. If you have any questions straight away in Japanese, you can ask in the comments below and I will get my wife to help translate it for me. Anyway, so how do we do this? I'm currently accessing it as of today. Usually if it's not like this, it would currently look like this. Yes, so Yahoo has gone down to Europe and the UK as of today. You can still access the mail, the ebooks, etc., but this is no longer available. If you want to be able to access it, you can download Opera and use the VPN setting that is inbuilt into it. You can either use it on your mobile phone or on the PC. I'll show you how to do it on the PC. It should be the exact same thing on the mobile phone. I think it's actually easier on the mobile phone because you can see this VPN button straight away. But if you're on the PC, what you do is you click on the easy setup and then it should say VPN enabling settings. As I understand, it just tells you it's going to run a bit slow on a VPN. And then you tick this button here to enable VPN. And I unticked this one, enable default search engines by bypassing it. And then once you click that, you should see this VPN button up here. And when you do it, make sure you select virtual location Americas. It seems to be the only one that actually does work. If you pay for a VPN, you can do this. It'll be quicker as well. Because this is a free VPN, running Yahoo Mail will be a little sluggish. And you can disconnect and reconnect this at any time using this button. So now my computer thinks, well, the websites I attend think that I am currently in America. So if you was accessing Yahoo Japan, you should be able to press return once it loads again. Should be able to press return, and there we go. It should bring you up to the website, and so you can actually go to Yahoo as you would normally. As I said, it can be a little sluggish, and it's because it's a free VPN, but I know a lot of people are a big fan of using Yahoo still, and they want to keep using it within the UK and Europe, and hopefully this will be able to help someone. Anyway, I hope that helped you guys. If you've got any questions, just post them down below, and I'll catch you again soon. Bye.